Welcome at the Wireless Classroom. In this video series, I try to explain the basics of electrical engineering with sample calculations. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, which helps me to produce more content. In today's video, I will explain how the resistance between 2 points can be calculated with an example. If we look at the right side of the screen, we can see general rules for serial and parallel resistors. This means that the resistance Rs can be calculated by adding R1 and R2, because they are in series. In the parallel network right below, the resistance Rp can be calculated by using the parallel formula R1 parallel to R2. So Rp equals R1 times R2 over R1 plus R2. We know that resistors are in parallel if we can connect both endpoints with each other. So to say, if we use the blue color, we can connect the top endpoints of both resistors. And if we use the red color, we can connect both bottom endpoints of the resistors. Let's apply our knowledge to the network on the left. We want to figure out how we can calculate the resistance between the 2 points A and B. At first, we could start with R4 and R5. R4 and R5 are in series, so we sum them up to R4,5. Then we can redraw our circuit, which is already prepared. We can see that R4,5 is parallel to R6 by using the red and blue color again. So we can calculate R4,5,6 by using the parallel formula. R4,5 is parallel to R6. If we redraw the circuit again, we can see that R1, R2, R3 and R4,5,6 are in series. So we sum them up and call them Rx. Additionally, we can see that R7 and R8 are in series. So we sum them up and call them Ry. Now we can redraw the circuit one more time. Finally, we can see that Rx is parallel to Ry by using the red and blue color again. This brings us to our solution, where we calculate the resistance between point A and point B by applying the parallel formula to Rx and Ry. Rab is equal to Rx times Ry divided by Rx plus Ry. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching.